Hello everybody! I've got an awesome tutorial for you here in Photoshop CS6. And my name is Buddy Blackford. We're going to learn about the duotone color mode. And it isn't just duotone, it's also monotone, tritone, and quadtone. So let's check that out real quick. Let's go to image. And the first thing you need to do when you're about to change something to duotone is go to grayscale and make it a grayscale image. So flatten your layers, press OK. It has to be a grayscale image first. Now what the duotone does is it adds a little bit of color and increases like the tonal values of a grayscale image. So let's go to image, mode, go to duotone. And we've got these options here. We have monotone, duotone, tritone, and quadtone. Now, what those mean is just think of the prefixes here. Mono means 1, duo means 2, tri means 3, and quad means 4. And what it's going to do is going to allow you to add 1 color, 2 colors, 3 colors, or 4 colors to your image. Now, a common method or a common use for this is to create like a color cast, or what like you see on like Instagram, you'll see like some filters. For example, the sepia filter, or however the hell you say that word. So you get a sepia tone to the image if you would like to using this. So let's go to duotone real quick. And if you don't know how to use the colors very well, they have presets here. So let's look for something. Let's look for I'm looking for Pantone, if I can find it. There's so many here. Let's just try this one, orange. Yep, that's what I wanted. And it gives you like this different tone to your image here. So that's the Pantone one. Let's try this. And you can just go through and preview and look at these things and see what you like. So that's a green, and that one turned into a quad tone. Oh, there's this. There they are right here. CPS. So that's what this duotone helps you do, and it just basically puts a cool looking filter on your images. And that way you don't have to go ahead and add adjustment layers and try to figure out how you want this to go. It's already got these preset here for you. Pretty cool. So what else do I want to go over here? Oh yeah, at the bottom down here is something called overprint colors, and if you click on this, you get to adjust how the colors are going to display when the inks are printed. So it's a little confusing, but you get to go ahead and pick your colors here. And in a little while, I'll go over these different values and everything on here, so you can figure out what these colors mean a little better. So you can see how the colors are there, and if I want to change them, so I'll change it like this or whatever, you can see how the colors are getting changed. So I'll hit cancel. I'll just cancel it again. You can also go ahead in here and adjust the curves to increase or decrease values. So this more magenta has been added, obviously. You can switch up the colors by clicking on here. So now we've got more of a blue, and looks like I got to name it, rename. Okay, and then I could maybe adjust this to make it more blue if I wanted, but that's how that works. So I'll just put something on there so we can see what else is going on. Let's go to green. That's good. So like a color like this would be good for like a World War II picture or something like that. They usually have the green images, so I'm just gonna hit OK, and then you can see that the image has been changed. We go to channels, and we have one channel called duotone. Let's go ahead and pick like a monotone or a quad tone or something like that. Let's go to quad. We'll just add our own colors in with it. Blue. That's okay. Adjust this a little so it's not so heavy. And we'll try to make like a quad tone looking thing. this one down as well, and this one doesn't need to be that high. And hit OK, and we got this kind of retro looking color. And hit OK. Oh, gotta name them. That's one thing, just remember. Oh, robin's egg blue. Just like the old Crayola crayon. Red. Okay. And check out our channels, and you can see that it has now been changed to quad tone. And you don't have a bunch of channels that you can mess with in this, so that's one downfall to using these, but mainly you're not going to use these to mess around with things. You're just using them for the color cast. So that is it for this tutorial. Remember that you need to have this in grayscale before you start adding the color mode, and just remember that, and mess with the presets and check everything out if you want to. So thanks for watching this one, and be sure to check out more videos on buckysroom.org or the New Boston YouTube channel. And this is Buddy Blackford signing off. See you later.